Dan Scoff's forecast, certified most accurate by WeatherAid. Your Weather Authority forecast with Josh Ruggard, certified most accurate by WeatherAid.
Well, it's a bit of a foggy start to the day for some of us here in Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. We're taking a look at that dense fog advisory that's been issued from the National Weather Service office. That does include far eastern portions of our weather coverage area, including Carroll, Madison, Newton, and Boone County. That goes until 9 o'clock a.m. this morning. And that's where most of the fog is starting to set up at this time. In fact, if we take a look at the visibility, we still got perfect visibility from Bentonville to Fort Smith, but you get a little bit farther east into the higher terrain of Northwest Arkansas, visibility starting to get reduced near the Harrison area, and I am anticipating that fog to become more widespread as we go throughout the rest of the morning hours. So we'll watch those trends very closely. Make sure you're taking it nice and easy this morning, especially along Highway 412. Waldron High School WeatherBug Network camera looking nice and quiet right now. We do have quite a bit of cloud cover along and south of Interstate 40 in the River Valley, which is why those temperatures are pretty mild as you step out the door. Upper 60s to lower 70s in the River Valley, and in the middle to upper 60s across portions of Northwest Arkansas. So definitely less cloud coverage in Northwest Arkansas right now, which is why those temperatures feel a little bit better as you step out the door. I'll tell you what, though, that fishing forecast looking great this afternoon. High is going to top out in the middle 80s in NWA, so quite a bit warmer than what we saw yesterday with less cloud coverage. In the River Valley, high temperatures may top out in the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. So starting to see that warming trend across our area, and that's because a ridge of high pressure is starting to build in over the desert southwest. In fact, look at the lack of cloud coverage that's going on right now from Arkansas to Texas. I mean, not a whole lot of activity going on in the great state of Texas right now, but a lot of activity going on along the East Coast. We've got potential Tropical Cyclone 8, which will not become a tropical storm. It's already made landfall, but still causing quite a bit of rainfall across portions of the Carolinas at this time. We also got a lot of snow in the Sahara Valley as well, just off to the north and east of San Francisco and Los Angeles. So starting to see the first signs of winter time across the Rocky Mountains. But for Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, we are going to remain dry. We're in between both of these features. That's allowing for that ridge of high pressure to build in, and that's why temperatures will heat up and things should remain dry at least through Friday here in Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. You can see that reflected here on this vorticity map. This is showing the spin in the atmosphere, so showers and thunderstorms usually develop out ahead of these darker colors. And notice here, as we head towards Friday into Saturday, little pieces of energy starting to swing towards our area. So shower and storm chances may be on the increase as we head throughout Saturday into Sunday. Still a lot of uncertainty with this particular piece of energy. I call this a very frustrating forecast for Northwest Arkansas right now. You'll see that reflected here on Future Check. There's those little isolated showers trying to develop on Friday. I think the main time frame for shower and storm development is going to be Saturday afternoon to the evening. So if you're going to that preparedness fair, I think things are going to be A-okay. But hopefully we could get some rain in Northwest Arkansas. We desperately need it right now. We really need that slow soaker to come into play. And right now, looking at the latest long-range models, it just doesn't look like that's going to be in our future. But we'll be keeping a close eye on Saturday. High temperatures going to be very warm, obviously, this week in the middle to upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. 30% chance of showers or storms on Saturday. Fall begins on Sunday just in time for a little cool down. High is going to be in the middle 80s with overnight lows in the middle to upper 60s. Might be some more rain chances as we go throughout Monday as well. We'll watch those trends very, very closely. River Valley, it's time for summer to retire. High is going to be in the upper 80s today. Lower to middle 90s by the time we get to Friday, with a 30% chance of showers and storms on Saturday, and high temperatures dropping off behind that front into the middle to upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. So there is a bit of a cool down in sight, guys, as we head towards the first day of fall, and hopefully it's a permanent cool down as well, because this week is going to feel very warm, very muggy, kind of like what we saw earlier in July, and we're getting a little taste of summer as we go throughout the middle part of September right now.
Josh, Sophia, we did agree yesterday that the warm temperatures will carry out through at least next Friday for my birthday. So after then, the cool down can begin.
Can 80s work? Can 80s work? Because 90s right now, I'm not cooking with 90s right now. Yesterday felt so great with all that cloud cover. Can we a nice little middle ground, right? Compromise.
Don't look at me, because I'm gonna go against your birthday wishes.
Oh, he doesn't want compromise.
Period.
He doesn't want compromise.
I want you to have a happy birthday. I'm conflicted here, guys. I would prefer to stay a neutral party on
No
this.
compromise here. No compromise for Perry. I just like that. I'm like, I'll give you 80s. Jackie's like, give me 90s, and Perry's like, give me 60s and 70s, baby. Let's go.
Give me whatever makes everyone happy.
I just want everyone to win.
I don't think I'm winning any friends here. Okay, let's go ahead and get to what's ahead on